You are going to love the 2014 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty, and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, trip computer, electronic brake force distribution, tachometer, steel wheels, multifunction display, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.